What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal a very simple formula you can use to make your first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing, even if you're brand new. Now you can see on the screen right here, this is different screenshots of different days of earnings I've been able to generate online. You can see all of them were more than $1,000 in a single day. So as you follow me naturally through this video, you're going to easily and effortlessly discover this formula so you can go out there and start to create results. Now, before I dive into this exact simple formula, I do want to share that if you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step affiliate marketing training, be sure to click the subscribe button below and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. But without further ado, let me go ahead and break this down right now. Okay, so how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. Now realize also, you're not going to need a following, you're not going to need an audience online, you're not going to need any previous experience with this simple three-step formula I'm going to break down right now. So the very first step is we need to find a good converting high-ticket affiliate product. Now, what do I mean by this? First off, we need to find a product that is already proven to sell well. You don't want to go out there and try to promote a product that no one else is making sales with, right? Competition from other people promoting the same product is actually a great thing because that tells you that people are buying. And we want to find a high ticket affiliate product. I cannot stress this enough. A lot of people, when they want to go out there and they want to make their first $1,000 with affiliate marketing, they're promoting products that will pay them, anywhere from $10 to $50 per commission. Now, why is this a problem? Well, if you have a goal, okay, to make $1,000, let me bring up a calculator real quick, okay? So let's say your goal is $1,000 and you're promoting a product that pays you $50 per commission, right? You would need 20 sales, right? Now, if your goal is, $1,000 a day, that's 20 sales a day, okay, which is very, very difficult. Or, okay, let's say you promote a product that pays you $1,000 per commission, per referral, right? Same work, same effort, same marketing ability, okay? One of them pays you $50, the other one pays you $1,000, right? So obviously, just getting one sale at $1,000, which is a high ticket product, okay, so any product that pays you about $250 or more per commission is a high ticket product. If you do that, you're going to need very little sales, okay, to hit this goal. Now, you can choose a good converting high ticket affiliate product in many different niches. If you're just getting started, I recommend you choose one of these three niches: health, wealth, or relationships. These are what's called evergreen niches. If you go into a topic or a niche of a product that you want to promote and it's a fad, okay, it's here today, gone tomorrow, you're going to have to keep reinventing the wheel. You're going to have to keep doing the same marketing over and over and over. But if you go into one of these three, people are always interested in health. They're always interested in making more money and increasing their wealth. And they're always interested in improving their relationships. So you're going to have a long-term successful income if you choose products in these niches. Now, I'm going to get to step 2 in a second, but how do we find a good converting high ticket affiliate product? There's a couple places, right? One of them is ClickBank. Okay, I've done a lot of videos on ClickBank. Basically, you can go to clickbank.com, sign up for free at the very top, and then once inside, you can go to your marketplace, okay, the tab at the top, choose a category, again, health, wealth, or relationships. So for this, I can do health and fitness. And then I can actually look at what the average dollar per conversion, right? And I want to choose one that's pretty high, right? Because I want to hit $1,000 as fast as possible. Okay, so 181, that's pretty good. 150. Okay, now you can even sort this by average dollar per conversion. Okay, this is $535, but we also want to find, okay, a good high converting product, right? So in ClickBank, you want to look at this gravity score, because this shows us on average how many people recently made a sale. So the higher the gravity score and the highest dollar per conversion you can find, that's the winning formula for this video, okay? So this doesn't have any gravity. I would skip this. Okay, $424 per conversion. This has a gravity about 1. Okay, not great. Okay, we want to find a decent gravity score. Okay, so this would be the best one so far that I would find. Okay, gravity score 241, which is great. Okay, anything above 50 is really good. And then average dollar per conversion, we want at least $250, but if you can't find anything on ClickBank, then go for the highest dollar per conversion you can find. Now, if you're using ClickBank to find your product, you just click promote, okay? And then you just hit generate hop links, and you can save, okay, this in a handy notepad or document, okay, because we're gonna use this in a second when we start getting traffic. Now, I do wanna share my favorite high ticket affiliate marketing program that you can find products to promote, and that's Easy One Up. Okay, Easy One Up, the reason I love it is you can actually earn up to $2,000 commissions with just one referral. And when you make a referral with Easy One Up, it pays you instantly. Okay, so with ClickBank, you have to wait 1 to 2 weeks to receive your payout. With Easy One Up, when you make a referral, okay, even at the $2,000 level, you get that money instantly in whatever method you choose: PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, Zelle. Okay, so I personally use Easy One Up when I want to do high ticket affiliate marketing, but again, you could use ClickBank and other places as well. Now, step 2 is, now that we have our product, we need to use a proven and easy traffic source to get daily clicks to your link. Okay, so now that we have the product, we need people going to that affiliate sales page on a consistent basis. And once they do, because it's a high converting product, it's good selling, chances are we're going to have a lot of people buy, and we can start to hit our $1,000, even $1,000 a day very quickly. Okay, so we have a proven traffic source, we send it to our affiliate link. Now, what traffic source do I want to cover in this video? I've covered a lot of different traffic sources for free and paid traffic. You can go to my channel to see tons of tutorials, but in this video, I want to cover Bing ads. Okay, I'm actually currently running Bing ads. They're very easy and they're very cheap. Okay, with just $5 to $10 a day, you can start to get massive clicks, okay, to your link, and you can start to generate sales. So all you have to do is go to Google, type in Bing ads, search that, and then go to that first link, okay? And then you can go ahead and sign up for free. Now, once you're in your back office, okay, it's gonna look something like this. Now, how Bing works is when you run an ad, okay, just like Google, okay, you can see right here that when I search something on Google, these posts appear, okay? Now, some of these can be ads. Well, Bing, okay, if I just show you real quick so you can understand, Bing is actually a search engine. Okay, so if I type in how to make money online, for example, you can actually run ads that show up at the top on Bing. Now, because you're running an ad on Bing and not on Google, it's gonna be a lot cheaper because there's less competition, okay? So this is great to get started. So how do we do this? Once you're in your back office, click Create Campaign. And what you want to do is you want to start to create a campaign. Now you can click visits to my website and then search ads, okay? Now click next. Now this is very, very simple, okay? Campaign name. Now what I would name this is the name of your product, okay? So let's say for the sake of this video, you're doing BioFit, okay? So that's the name of the product. So I can do BioFit campaign, okay? Individual budget, again, you can start as little as $10 a day. Okay, it really is up to you. The more you spend, the more clicks, but you don't need to, okay? Now let me choose specific locations. You want to choose that because this is choosing where our ads are going to show up, what countries, okay? Now, if your product is in only certain countries, you want to only choose those countries, but you also don't want to just choose all available, because what that's going to do is show your ad to people in third world countries that probably don't have money to buy the product, okay? So we want to choose United States, and then click target, Canada. Okay, I'm going to share with you exactly the ones that I personally use and recommend. United Kingdom, Australia, okay, and then New Zealand. These are the ones that I personally use and recommend, okay, because you're going to get a lot of good traffic. A lot of these people have money to purchase products. Now, we want to unselect people searching for viewing pages. This is going to be not what we want. We just want people in our target locations to see the ad. Language, you can do English if it's an English speaking product, and you can save and go to the next step, okay? Now, your website, right? I can click my website's not ready. Ad group name, okay, so we can do BioFit or whatever the name of your product, and then enter keywords. Now, this is what keywords our ad is gonna show up when someone searches on Bing. Now, for this method, what I highly recommend you do is, just to get started, you use the name of the product as the keyword, okay? So people are gonna go to Bing, they're gonna search for this product because people are actually promoting it. So what we can do is we can run ads on that exact keyword. So I can do BioFit Okay, I can do BioFit review. Is BioFit a scam? Okay, BioFit bonuses. Okay, just different words that people would be searching when it comes to finding out more information. Okay, you can see they even give you some keywords on the side. I can actually open these up, and anything that's relevant, okay, I can actually select all these and add to my ad group. Okay, so now it's going to add this, and that's good. And now I can save and go to the next step. Okay, go to the bottom, save, go to the next step. Okay, now we want to create an ad. So if you're using, let's say, ClickBank, for example, the final URL, okay, is actually going to be, when you get your affiliate link, you need to open this up in a new tab, okay? Now what you need to do is you need to actually go to the top, and we need to get the URL that's in our browser, okay? So if I open a notepad, this is actually the entire link that's in our browser, okay? When I go to this affiliate sales page. Now we don't need to copy this entire thing, right? But we need to make sure that it actually still lands on this sales page. So I can remove this, and I'm gonna test this, okay? So let me remove all this stuff at the end, and then I'm just gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna go to a new tab, and I wanna see if this goes to the page, okay? So it does. So now we would go back here, and that would be our final URL, okay? Now to make this better, you can actually capitalize, okay, some of these words, and that's gonna make it look better in the ad. Now for headline, okay, what we actually want to do is we can use a trick that I've used a lot, okay, when I do Bing ads, and we can actually put this bracket here. We can do keyword insertion. What that basically would do is automatically fill the keyword your prospect, your person that is searching that keyword, it will fill in the exact words that they typed in. Okay, now this is very powerful because the ad is going to be incredibly relevant. Now we do need to put a default text. Okay, this is in case the keyword they type in is too big to fit in the ad. What do we want them to show instead? Now, what I would do is I would look at what type of product this actually is. Okay, you can see right here that it actually is talking about, you know, stuff your face, lose weight. Okay, so I'm assuming that basically you can eat whatever you want and still lose weight. Okay, so I can say something like that in this default text. I can be like, eat tons and still lose weight. Okay, or something like that. And then save. Okay, so now that keyword, again, that's going to show up when people type, okay, right there. Now, you can do a few different headlines, okay? They recommend anywhere from, you know, 3 or more, just because it's going to automatically test what the best one is for you. So again, this is based on your product, but for this, I could be like, you know, eat what you want and shed fat, okay? And then I can do one more, easiest weight loss solution, okay? And then we go down here to descriptions. So you need to add at least 2. Now this is going to show up here, okay, under the ad on Bing. Okay, so I can type something in like, discover the best way to lose weight while still eating what you want. Okay, so we just want to type something in there that has to do with what our product does. It's going to depend on you. I can also do, you know, if you want to see the best way to lose weight in 2021, check out this link, okay, or something like that. Now, this is crucial, okay? Once we have all the headlines and the description set up, for the tracking template, this is where we put our actual affiliate link because we want to get tracked to this sale when someone buys. So what we would do is now we would take this link and you would go back to the ad and you would put it in here, okay? And now we would save it. Now, once we save that, we just want to go all the way down to the bottom, okay? Save and go to the next step. You know, make sure that's good. Enhance cost per click, you know, that's fine. And then we just hit save. That's it, right? And now it's going to start to go through the review process. And within an hour or so, chances are you will get approved and it will start running. Now, there's a couple last things I highly recommend you do with Bing. We want to open up that campaign. And what you want to do is you want to go to the left under the keywords tab, okay? And what you want to do, I highly recommend you select all, okay? You go to edit, you go to change match types. Okay, now currently it's going to automatically default into broad match. And that will actually not just show your ad on the keywords they enter. It may show them on other keywords that aren't related. So I recommend doing phrase match. Okay, so it will change all of the broad matches to phrase match. And you can hit save. So you can see right here, the match type, it's changed it to phrase. And the last thing I would do is I would select all, go to edit, change current bids. And then we want to do 0.31 starting off, 31 cents per click. Okay, meaning you will get charged 31 cents every time someone clicks an ad when they type in one of these keywords. Okay, and that's it. I mean, you can literally just let this run. After a few days, you can come in here, see, you know, how many clicks you've gotten, and you just can use this method to start getting traffic. And what this will do is they will go to the product page, okay, and because it's high converting and because it's going to pay you a good amount, you will start to generate commissions and you will be able to hit your $1,000 goal very quickly. Now, again, I recommend you do use Easy One Up as you know, the product that you want to start promoting, because again, one sale can pay you as much as even $2,000. Okay, now I'm going to include a link directly below this video. You can see a free overview video of a system that I'm using that will actually help you sell Easy One Up even while you're sleeping, that I personally use. The last step is really just seeing what works. Okay, you can start to see what keywords are working and reinvest more money scaling up. Okay, reinvest your profits. And that's it. I mean, this formula is incredibly simple. If you like this and you want me to make more videos like this, be sure to click the like button below. Again, subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And I really hope you enjoyed it, my friend. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.